I own a lot of tools, and that got me thinking. What are my top three woodworking beginner tools that everyone should own, regardless of their place in life or gender identifier? Everyone has got to have these in their house. Let's do it. Bring on the heat. First, decent circular saw. Doesn't have to be anything fancy, but get a good blade for it. It'll do you right in a lot of situations. Learn how to find angles, cut angles, do a lot of kind of rougher stuff, and a little bit of fine tuning later on. A good drill, worth its weight in gold, help you out in more situations. Get out of here with that Heart brand fucking corded bullshit. You walk onto a job site with one of those, you're gonna be laughed out of there in your Prius before first coffee break, that's for sure. Probably before the end of the safety meeting. And last, a good random orbital disc sander. Polishing stuff up, your little projects around the house, your wife's to-dos. It'll keep her satisfied. Trust me on that. All right, y'all have a good one. Be safe out there.